Welcome in to the Woolly Review. I have a feeling that this is discontinued, but regardless, it's English. Ta-da-da-da! And so I must review it because I haven't done before. This is Ribston DK by the Yorkshire Trading Company. Yes, it can be bought on Etsy or Amazon or eBay, but the official is the Yorkshire Trading Company, and that was as well the cheapest place. At this precise moment, they're sold out on the 3 colours that they have, and this isn't one of the colours, which is why I'm pretty much certain that they're discontinued now. But regardless, we are going to give it a woolly review and see what happens. I'll just move the mermaid because the mermaid's in the way of my genie. Oops, let's get the start of it first, shall we? Where is the start of it? There it is. Okay. Ooh, pardon you. Okay. So first impressions is, it's not bad at all. Softness wise, it ain't bad at all. It's in the shade 30. Not that we're here for that. It's green. All right, it's green. 100% acrylic. 300 meters approximately, and 100 grams. And they recommend to use a size 4 hook, and so a size 4 hook is what I am going to be using, because I only use what is recommended on the ball band. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can't even get the slip knot in. Now I can do a full swatch on this. 12, 13 and 14, and we're going in for single crochet. Oh, that was my mistake. Oops. There we go. I'm not doing very well with this, am I really? Now this was actually sent to me as a gift to do whatever I wanted with it. And I was going to put it in the giveaway cube, but I'm very, very selfish and I don't have a proper green in my collection, so I could do with a green. So this is going to be mine, all mine. Sorry. Feels quite soft to work with, I gotta say. I mean, looking at the band, as in its dress, the ball band, I would have said it looks like a budget-friendly wool, but I'm amazed it doesn't feel like a budget-friendly wool. It is soft. It's not squeaking at me, which is amazing. It's not tugging on the hook. It feels quite nice. So maybe it's just my thinkings of it must be a budget wool. Maybe it is, and maybe it isn't, or wasn't. I don't know. But either way, quite like the feel for it. But when I do the review, as it is £1.79 on the website, that's what it's showing, regardless of discontinued or not. That is what I'm going to base the review on. Come on. Thank you very much. Okay, so there's my singles. all the single crochets, all the single crochets, all the single crochets, all the single crochets. Yeah, anyway, we're doing half doubles. And of course, I'm not here to review how awful my crocheting skills are. That's not part and parcel of it. Though you're more than welcome to, of course. But if you have tried this Ribston DK, please let me know in the comments what you thought of it. And if you agree with what I've said. And if you haven't used it, at £1.79 after this review, would you? And heck, if you're not already, while you're down there, you could always subscribe. It's completely free. Free! Oh, we do like a good freebie around here. Yes, we do. Oh, now we're squeaking. Okay, that's one row of half doubles. Ooh. Curly, curly. Feels quite nice, I have to say. I mean, I'm not saying it feels like the softest thing I've ever felt. No. But it feels nice. Although I don't have my full swatch yet. But regardless. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Seeing the stitches is a little bit, And before you say anything, yes, I know I'm not supposed to be crocheting into the very, very first stitch because I'm doing the chains, but you know, like I said, we're not here to judge my crochet, although, yes, you may. I can't stop you. You do as you wish. It's fine. Okay, so we're coming to the end of, oh my gosh. There she goes with the big crochet hook. My large crochet hook just fell down. I'm sorry for the bang. So I'm not going to do the very end one because I added one. Not that it really matters because we're not here to judge. Yes, we are. We are here to judge, and we're here to judge harshly because that's what we do. 2 rows of double crochet to finish off. And I'm getting cramp, so don't mind me. Oh. Okay. Thank you, Sir Spot. There we go. Nearly at the end. I'm having no problems using this. Right at the beginning, I was thinking that it was going to turn out to be a little bit splitty, but that was just me. It doesn't seem bad at all. There is a little bit of fuzz that's on this, and I think that's probably what's aiding to the not being able to see the stitches that well on this side, but on this side you can see them quite well. Maybe it's a one-sided wool. Please take the pictures from my better side. Ignore my bad side, it doesn't exist. Keep it in the shade. Or, you know, whatever the wool might say. Oh yeah, we're squeaking. 40-degree wash on this. All the washing instructions and official description, etc., are all in the description down below. As are things like a link to my Etsy shop, mine and Beanie's Amazon wish list, membership details, how to contact me. Thank you, Blue Hook. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I'd be very, very happy to wear that. That feels really nice. Yep, 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 I can go with that. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. So, Frog, are you going to come for a walk? It's a nice day. It's mild. Are you good? Are you good? Okay. Well, how about jump on your moped? Oh, too fast. I've got to be able to catch you up, you know? Let's have a look at the kink. Wow. Yes, there's a little bit of kinkage, but there's hardly anything there. That's pretty good. Kinkage, of course, means the fibres have been overstretched and they won't be as soft or nice. So if there's a lot of kinkage, it's a bad thing. If there's little kinkage, it's a good thing. Let's put your dress back on. And for those that can't tell, because of lighting, because of screen differences, etc., this is very much a what you'd call a grass green, almost an emerald green. Okay, what am I going to say about it? Well, I'm going to go straight away to there. We're going to go with, yes, it'd be in my top 10 for sure. £1.79 for 300 meters. Yep, I could very much go with that. I mean, 300 meters, you know. Would it be my top 3? Yes, I think it would. I think I'm going to go as far. I know. What's wrong with me? Beanie hair. Beanie hair. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go as far as a 4.5. 4.5 ladybirds out of 5 for the Ribston DK. Oh my gosh. I think in comparison to a similar Meterage and DK, even though it is, I would say it's quite thick DK really, but still I think for the price, blooming marvellous. Personally speaking, it's lovely and soft. It's something that I would want to wear. Very nice to work with. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. We're going to go with the full 5 out of 5. Oh yes, there it is. Ribston DK, 5 ladybirds out of 5. That's what we're giving it. Okay, there we go. Let me know down below. And hopefully I will see you next week for the next review. Maybe. See you there. Take care. Bye-bye.